Hey guys, so now we're going to check out some new S Pen features for the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. So if you hold it down, you get the camera pop up, and then you can actually navigate it just by doing gestures, which is really cool. This is because the new S Pen has an accelerometer and gyroscope in it, so it is very, very responsive to how you actually move it, and it's really good just because you can actually start a video, change it to your front screen, change it to the rear camera, all of those things just by doing a gesture. And you can even zoom in and zoom out. So if you want to actually go from one camera to another, say on the rear camera, you can go between the wide angle, front, and so forth. So I really like this ability, just being able to do all of these different gestures with the pen. It's like with the remote functions that you had before on the Note 9, but this definitely brings it to a whole nother level if you want to take a couple of photos, do it at different angles, do it at different styles. All of these kind of things can be done with this new S Pen feature. Let me know what you guys want to see from the Note 10 Plus. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.